Hi, I'm Laura Nelly Mendoza, your Little Miss Arizona, United States. Today we're here at Tempe Town Lake and we're walking to save animals. Let's go meet some of our 2- and 4-legged friends now. I'm here with Michelle Ramos. So tell me, Michelle, what do you do?
I am the Director of Education for the Arizona Animal Welfare League and SPCA.
Michelle, how many animals go homeless each year?
Well, each year, millions of animals go homeless nationwide, but here in Maricopa County, we have the largest overpopulation rate and the second largest in the nation. So it's very important for the community to get together like we are today in order to save more lives, because there are so many pets without homes.
How long has your organization been helping animals in Arizona?
We've been helping animals for over 41 years. Arizona Animal Welfare League was established as just a foster organization where people in the community actually took the animals just into their homes in the beginning, and then we've blossomed into the large shelter that we are today.
That's amazing. So tell us, what are we doing here today?
The Walk to Save Animals is our second largest fundraiser that Arizona Animal Welfare League holds every year. Saving animals is a very costly venture, so events like this helps us to do more for the community and more for the animals that need help.
How much money does it take to take care of these animals?
Our facility actually spends over $2 million every year caring for animals who are lost, who need medical rehabilitation or behavioral training. So it's a very expensive venture taking care of all these pets who are homeless and need help from us.
If someone wants to contact you, tell us how they can do that.
They can go to our website, which is aawl.org. If there's any kind of resources that they need, advice on their pets they have in their home, on adoption, they want to see our animals or are looking for a pet, everything's there on our website, and it's very easy to traverse.
Thank you. If you have a heart for saving animals and you want to learn how you can help save more, then visit the website on the screen. I'm Laura Nelly Mendoza, and you've been watching Behind the Crown.